Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute because you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So you can go there and I'll explain in detail. Very nice way to end the week. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched a video from Thursday I did, but talked about how this 373 mark had been very, very stubborn, but there was a very real chance at a breakout. And this morning definitely did get the breakout. And then where it got rejected from makes perfectly good sense in regards to those people that use technical charts, but we'll get there in a second. But let's do the first major update, and that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 373 was that stubborn area of resistance going into the day, but now that the price is up above there, that's what I would consider the ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Ideally speaking, yeah, if the price can stay above 373, that would be a great sign of power. But taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here is how I am defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yes, staying above 373 certainly would be best case scenario, but as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, like I said, not a shock at all. Price got rejected right there at that pink line, which on my chart I use to denote the very famous 200-period moving average. In fact, it's one of those areas where even if you have a very surface deep understanding of charts and technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So, not a shock at all to see the price literally get rejected from this area time and time again. Not saying the price can't break above that level, just saying it makes good sense why the price did ultimately stop up around that area of the chart. All in all, though, great movement today, and now it's just a question going into next week of can the price continue to build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.